Welcome, in front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to toggle fast boot feature on this laptop. So in order to do that, first turn your PC on by pressing the power button for a short while, then start pressing F2 key until the BIOS menu appears on your screen, and then use the right arrow key to navigate to main section. In main, select fast boot, which is the last option on the screen. You can select it using up and down arrow keys. Now when you select it, press enter and change the value to disabled if you want to disable fast boot, or to enabled if you want to enable fast boot. To apply changes, press F10 and then enter, and to discard changes press escape and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.